Did you know you can make a powerful organic plant tonic using just 3 common kitchen ingredients? Today I'll show you a simple homemade recipe that can help support healthier snake plants, money plants, cucumber plants, chili plants, and many other indoor and outdoor plants naturally. Start by pouring 500 milliliters of clean water into a jug. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used in home gardening because it can help reduce conditions that favor certain fungal diseases. It also helps create a healthier environment around the root zone, benefiting snake plants, money plants, cucumbers, chilies, and many other plants. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Dry yeast is naturally rich in B vitamins, amino acids, and essential minerals. It helps support beneficial soil microorganisms and encourages healthy root and plant growth, helping snake plants develop stronger roots, money plants produce healthy new vines, and cucumber and chili plants grow more vigorously. Now add 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Jaggery is a natural source of carbohydrates that can serve as food for beneficial microbes in the soil. When combined with yeast, it helps create a more active soil environment, supporting stronger roots, healthier growth, and fresh new foliage in indoor plants, while also encouraging healthy growth and flowering in cucumber and chili plants. Stir everything well until all the ingredients are completely dissolved. Now pour this mixture into 10 liters of clean water and mix thoroughly. Your natural plant tonic is ready to use. Apply it directly to the soil around the base of your snake plants, money plants, cucumber plants, chili plants, or other vegetables and houseplants 2 to 3 times a month. Use the solution immediately after preparing it for the best results and avoid overwatering, especially with snake plants. With regular use as part of proper plant care, your snake plants may develop stronger roots, firmer green leaves, and healthy new shoots. Money plants can produce fuller vines and lush foliage, while cucumber and chili plants may develop healthier roots, vigorous growth, more flowers, and better quality fruits. If you enjoyed this gardening tip, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your gardening friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.